Let us see how to fix this error REAGENTC.EXE, the Windows RE image was not found. For this, we are going to run our Windows command prompt as administrator. This is the prerequisite of this command which we are going to perform. So these commands are already mentioned in this text file. First of all, we have to download the ISO file from Microsoft website. The ISO can be Windows 10 or 11. For that, I'm sharing the link in the description box. So right click on the ISO and mount it. And I think it's mounted on E drive. So we have to make sure that we are writing E here in this command. dism is the command which we are going to use for getting the index number of the Windows 10 Pro, and index number is 6 for Windows 10 Pro. See, this is Windows 10 Professional. We are verified with two things. Win version is command to use to check the version of the Windows. Now we are going to perform the step number 2. In this step, we are going to create a directory in C drive with the name of mount, and we are going to mount our disk, the disk which we have mounted, the ISO disk. With this command, I have mounted it on mount folder. Step 3 is, now after mounting, we have to copy the re.wim file to the System32 Recovery folder. This is the default folder. This will copy it to the recovery folder. Now in step number 4, we are going to unmount the mounted image so that we can perform the final step. Final step is we are going to set the path of REAGENTC to the recovery partition. Here it is, it's successful. After this, we can go for the final step, which is failing earlier, REAGENTC/enable. This will try to enable the REAGENTC, which earlier failing. Now see, this is successful. We can verify the installation or the file is working or not by info. See, it's mounted, reagent-info. Now we are going to restart the advanced mode with this command. It will take some time, and if you see the advanced option here, then this command works well.